Hi everyone,
Oh, we're doing it.
welcome to...
No, I don't like it.
Hi everyone, welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. I'm not gonna lie, when I'm filming it, it's not the 1st of December, but
fake.
This is a really Christmassy day, I feel like, so I thought that would make a good...
It's our Christmas, so we have to have our Christmas early because we're in a flat and we're not at home. We're going home for Christmas and we're having our Christmas here anyway.
This will be uploaded on the 1st of December, but it's not the 1st of December right now. But we have such a Christmassy day planned. Also, this is the first year that I'm doing Vlogmas properly. Usually, if you've watched my videos for a while, you know that I upload like usually like 3 weekly vlogs, like 3 Vlogmas weeks, I guess. But this year I decided I was going to film and upload every day, except I might not upload at weekends, but I still haven't decided. But also right now somebody commented on my last video, the shopping with me, confused about the lockdown rules, because they were like, I thought the UK was in lockdown.
That's not.
So right now when I'm filming this, we're in Scotland. Scotland's not in lockdown. England currently is in lockdown. Scotland's not. Scotland and England are not the same countries. I think that some people don't really understand. Scotland is a different country than England. We're not in lockdown right now.
We have tiers and levels. Although the worst chat was being up to level 4, which is a basically
it's all very confusing. Maybe by the 1st of December we will be. I'm not sure, but right now we're not. What's the date today actually?
Is it the 14th?
The 14th of November, so it is very early. But I thought, you know, I would pre-film some Vlogmas episodes. This is so exciting. So today we're going Christmas shopping for decorations and stuff, and we're also putting up a Christmas tree.
Long start, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, big intro. So I just got this new jumper from Mistress Rocks. I'd been looking at this jumper for a long time, and then I went onto the website yesterday and it said it wasn't going to be restocked and they only had a large, so I got it and it just fits nice and oversized. I really like it. And I've got my classic jeans on. I actually like don't really like jeans usually. Like I feel like I'm always like I don't like jeans, but these jeans are a really good fit. I really like these. And then I have my bag that I got from Monkey. I also really don't want to wear a jacket because I feel like it's gonna ruin my outfit, but it's like 10 degrees outside. Also, I've got an issue with my ears right now. But my ear's like really blocked and I have like a ringing sound in my ear. I think it's called like tinnitus or tinnitus. I'm not sure, but apparently it's a long-term effect of coronavirus. So hopefully it goes away at some point, but like it's really uncomfortable. My ear keeps blocking. Anyway, nobody cares about my ears. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, we're in town now. It is so busy, so we've come off into like a wee alleyway. We just went into Urban Outfitters.
Oh my god, that's about 4 times you said that.
And my camera was zoomed in, and I got a top, which I'll show you later. And now we're on our way to Primark, which is gonna be horrible because it's so busy. There's some nice lights up there. Can't really see them. I am loving this big reindeer they've got. Look at all the lights. We are in the queue right now. Wow, it's so zoomed in. We're in the queue right now for Primark and it's so long. I don't even know if it's worth it. But it's moving kind of quickly. We're basically in here to get some Christmas pajamas and maybe some Christmas decks. Just see what we find. Do I buy this for Clara?
Surely it's for as yet unnamed.
Oh yeah, Danny's getting a new dog. Oh my gosh. That's another exciting thing that's happening during Vlogmas. Danny's getting a new puppy. Should we buy it a costume?
Yes.
Honestly, I'm actually not really feeling this.
No, it's not.
I'm a bit sweaty. I'm a bit fed up.
Stressed.
Look at that. Love that. Okay, I'll check back in with you once I'm upstairs. I have found pyjamas that I really want. The Grinch Pajamas. And I love The Grinch, it's my favourite Christmas film. Also, we're feeling really quite stressed and I kind of wish we hadn't done this on a Saturday because it's just so busy. Okay, we're in Poundland now, in the Christmas section. I'd also like to get some decorations for Danny's room because I just don't feel Christmassy enough when I wake up in the morning. I like the boat. We just got back from shopping. How was that?
That was a horrible experience.
It was just so busy. But we got some stuff, so I thought I would show you. So we went to Poundland and we got this
Could really do one
for our room, except you need to buy the battery separately, which I didn't do. Do you want to open that, please, so we can show? Then from Poundland, we also got this, which lights up. It says batteries. Oh.
Oh, I thought it was a white one.
So did I. We got some tinsel.
Oh, that's not that bad. It's quite nice.
For the living room. Let's see. That is actually nice. Oh, I also got some Christmas tea towels. And then I also got this.
Ornament.
Then we got our Christmas pajamas, which I'm so excited about. We got these ones.
Grinch
the Grinch. Which you might recognise.
Even like Kaylee.
Oh yeah, Kylie Jenner's brought out her new Christmas collection, which was Grinch themed. I really like it.
Hint.
You might recognise this style. I've got Snoopy pajamas that are in this style. And they're really cozy. Yeah, all of the flat has got these, so we're gonna put all of them on after this while we put up our tree, which I'm so excited for. Oh, I also got a nutcracker from Poundland. It's a wee bit tatty. It does move though. And then from Urban Outfitters, this isn't Christmas related, but I got this top.
Oh, could be. It's nice green.
I was thinking maybe wear it for Christmas dinner.
Yeah, or Christmas Day, more of a dress.
Yeah, but for the flat Christmas dinner maybe. Only thing was, this was in the sale, it was £19. They only had it in a medium, so hopefully that fits. It looks pretty small though, so should be alright. We're now going to get into our pyjamas, put on the Grinch because I own him a big, I've never seen it, and we're gonna put up the Christmas tree. Oh, I did want to make mulled cider, like
easy days, boys.
Mulled spicy apple juice or something like that, but I can't be bothered going to the shop, so that's not happening. Wow, I love them. Yeah, just decorated our room a bit. Need to get your reaction.
Whoa!
The desk was ruined a bit because all the stuff from the
well, it doesn't look very Christmassy yet,
living
but we'll
room.
work it.
Yeah.
This is my favourite. This is my favourite touch.
It's cute, isn't it? That's Poundland.
Was it £1?
Well,
Yeah, funnily enough it was.
Juliet.
Do you like these? We need to get some lights here. Did you see this as well? Put the nutcracker over here.
Big fan.
Do you like it?
Christmas.
We still need to get some more stuff, I reckon. I just feel as though it's not fully Christmassy yet. Oh wow, what's it do? Finish it on.
There he is.
Oh, this is Danny's new dog. Oh, that looks nice.
I like that. Hi.
Oh, so we've got both paper chains again.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Still have the paper chains up from last year. With the Malteser mini reindeer. Not vegan, sorry guys. Aline! And what's this? Another packet. Here's this with a battery in it. Do you think I should put it here, Danny?
Yeah.
I put it next to this thing that my mum got me. Thought it went nicely. And then I also got this for my mum too. I just put it there, thought it looks really nice. Oh, I'll also show you these mugs that my mum got from Asda. I really want to make a hot chocolate in them, but we do not have any milk. This mug, this is mine. I really like this. And then I got this one for Danny as well. We just finished watching, oh, Danny's drinking out his new mug. We just finished watching The Grinch, because obviously our pyjamas have the Grinch on them. And now it just feels so Christmassy. The living room looks so good and Christmassy. So I hope that you all enjoyed the first day of vlogmas.
Day one.
Hopefully I will keep this up and not stop halfway through.
Don't get my bum in it.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Even though it's still November.